Thank you for joining me today. I'm Fritz on Fritz. I hope your day is going splendidly so far. Currently, 64 degrees, mostly sunny and breezy here in the valley on this Monday afternoon. Do you know what time it is? Well, of course you do. That's why you're here, isn't it? It's food review time. Today, whoa, did you see that? Did you see that? Today, I'm trying the Brim's fiery hot flavored onion rings. If you've tried these, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of them are. I bought this 4-ounce bag earlier today at a local variety store for $1.25. Full disclosure, Dollar Tree is not a sponsor of this video, and Brim Foods Company Incorporated is not a sponsor of this video. The store had 15 of these bags in stock when I was there. These were in one of their snack aisles. This particular bag has an expiration date of August 1st, 2025. The packaging caught my eyes. Very bold, vibrant, red and yellow. Ooh, puffy. And ooh, that's corny. It smells spicy. Oh, I see you. Wow, look at that. Cheers, everybody. Mm. Woo. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Satisfying initial crunch, still being light and airy, not greasy, not oily. The flavor profile is it's a mild onion forward flavor with a hint of heat rolling in there toward the end. Surprisingly, it's not as hot as I thought it would be just based on the packaging. The onion flavoring really shines through. The cornmeal base layer is acting as a nice canvas for the onion, for the paprika, for the garlic. Well seasoned, I'd say, salty, but not so salty that I need to get something to drink. The spice level is quite tame, at least to me, but I appreciate the crispiness, the taste. In terms of the profile, these onion rings remind me a mix between the Andy Caps brand and the Funyuns brand. If you put those two together, that's what this flavor profile reminds me of, but not as hot. I will say that there's a little bit of a graininess to these. I don't know if that's because of the baking process that they used here for the cornmeal, but it is a little grainy compared to, like I said, the Andy Caps or the Funyuns, or even the Cheetos Puffs. I could see having this with a tuna casserole, or if I was adventurous, I would crumble these up and sprinkle them on some sloppy joes. Hey, try that. Let me know how it works out for you. mm. I appreciate the overall flavor profile. I'm missing that heat. I like spicy. This just has a little kick there at the end, but it's still rich from the buttermilk that was used, the onion. It's like a hint of, I don't know what they use. I don't think it's habanero, and I don't think it's jalapeno. I think this would be a lot hotter if it was. It's not Ghost Pepper or Pepper X or Carolina Reaper Hot. But it's just a nice, subtle little bit of heat. I like it. I really wish there was more heat to it. Now, with all that being said, on a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the Brims fiery hot onion flavored rings. I'll give these a solid 8.47. With that being said, would I recommend these? Yes. Yes, I do. Would I go out and buy these again for $1.25? Yes. Yes, I would. And there's enough here. Seems to be a good quality for the quantity. I can have some later tonight. I can have some with a ham sandwich tomorrow. And then I could have some after dinner tomorrow for a snack. Oh, there you go. I like the taste. I like the look. There you go. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye, everyone. Have a great rest of your day. Safe travels if you're heading anywhere. I'm Fritz, Hot Zone Fritz. Woo. That's corny.
Is there anybody in here?
Hey. Oh. Hey there. What you doing? Yeah. Whoop, my vest is gone. Where's my vest? Oh, it's over there. It's had a hard day at work, so now it's resting on the chair. Mm. Now it's time to get sentimental. uh, you came along and taught me how to be a millionaire just by breathing air. And for that, I am forever grateful. There. Was that too sappy? It might have been a little too sappy. But it's sincere. Yeah, yeah.